Here we are again today at an amusement park between two railway lines. This way is a dormant railway, and on the other side of this park is an active railway. So they no longer use this railway line. That's why so many people now use it for different activities. As you can see over there, I hope we get lucky to be able to move to the other side so you can see the active railway line. So what we can see right now is the dormant railway line, which doesn't work anymore. So let's go. So lots of fun activities around here, as you can see. What up? How are you? He actually wanted to say hi.
So I found these two lovers and trying to talk to them. The guy, it wasn't easy for him to talk, but then thank God for his girlfriend. Well, she couldn't speak English too, but finally I succeeded to grant the interview.
你们过来这里玩吗？
对。
你们每个星期天、星期六过来这里玩？
对啊。
对的。
你为什么喜欢在这个地方？
这个地方的话，因为是很有趣。
First paparazzi spotted. So this is how it is in China, guys. When you're a black person or foreigner and you move around, you get people take pictures of you. Yeah, that's the normal day's life.
对对对，我要问一下啊，Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. 我要问一下为什么这个火车地方不用？
这个
对，这个
这火车的话，它应该是年代久远了吧？
这是老的。
对，这是老的那个旧的遗址。
那个呢？那边
那个我还没过去逛。
那边可以用，这里不能用。
这里的话，它因为是年代久远的话，暂时应该是用不了了。
OK。
对。
Yeah, I understand. Okay, thank you.
谢谢。
Yeah, take care, man. You have fun. Bye bye.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Wish me luck, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I got this. That's it. Midnight Sofian. Okay guys, here we are. We are about to head into the part where there's the abandoned train. So we can see the train over there. Actually, we just asked the guy back there. He told us, well, this is the old side of the railway line. The new side is that way, and this side is just now for fun. You can see it over there. Most people are just taking pictures and videos and having fun. And over here is a restaurant. You can have some popcorn, food, and more. So now we're gonna head over to where we've got the abandoned train to see how it is. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, here we are heading out to where we can find the abandoned train. This is an abandoned train here in Guangdong, China. Over there. And I think part of the restaurant at the front is also part of the train that is abandoned. I don't know if we'll be able to get in. Come on, let's go this way. Now here it is, guys. I think the train has been here for quite a while. And I think this is a touristic site here in Dongguan in China. This is the train. Looks like no one is inside, of course. And you can see the railway line in Georgia. That's how it is in Chinese. I think here it says do not touch, don't get on. And this is the front part of the train. This is the fun part of it all. So here's the point. This used to be an active train and an active railway line here in Dongguan, China. But then I think since they opened the new one and it's got a speed train right now, they no longer use this one. So that's why it's just parked here, and it's become a touristic site, and they just use it for a restaurant, and it's fun. It's become a touristic site actually, and so many people, not just foreigners, even Chinese, also come here to take pictures because, you know, it's an amazing place and the train doesn't move anymore. It's just stagnant, and these tracks are no longer used. On the other side of these tracks is the playground where people sell balloons and games. On this side is like a touristic side where people come to take pictures and have fun. And over there you can see the view is breathtaking, of course. It's just amazing and I love it. All right, people. So tiring, right? It's been an amazing journey so far. It's a huge amusement park, and here we are. This is a part for the boats. You can see kids around having fun. The train is over there, and this way a lake, an amusement lake where people have fun. I think that's where they can buy the tickets. But today we are not getting on any boats because I feel tired already, so we're not getting on any boats for today. Probably next time, guys. But then I think it's fun. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, is that we are trying to head over to the other side of this amusement park to see the active railway line before it gets dark. So let's go really fast. Alright, people, so here we are at the other side of the amusement park, and this is the side of the active railway line, and you can see it. Come on over here. Well, there's no way to go across because it's obviously sealed from the public because it's an active railway line, of course, and this is also for the speed train, and that's why it's blocked and nobody can go across. So over that way is the Dongguan railway line, and then this way is the active railway line. I think we might be able to see a train pass by anytime now, so you can see how active it is this way as compared to the other side. And this way you can see no one is there. It's almost dark already.